Imagine this. You wake up one day, check your bank account, and find it overflowing with more money than you ever dreamed. It sounds like a fantasy, but what if I told you that this could be your reality? And no, you don't need to win the lottery. You just need some golden nuggets of wisdom from Warren Buffett, the investment guru himself. We're going to share the best advice Buffett has revealed so you too can become rich. It all starts with having the right financial knowledge. Let's dive in. Warren Buffett reveals a critical component of accumulating wealth that's often overlooked: time. It's not just about how much you invest, but when you start and how long you let it grow. The magic of compound interest is similar to a snowball rolling down a hill. The longer it moves, the bigger it gets. But here's the catch. This snowball doesn't just need an early start. It requires a long journey. So whether you're a fresh-faced college grad or someone late to the party, there's a secret to making time work in your favor. But investing wisely is even more important. When it comes to investments, conventional wisdom often points us towards the giants, the big, well-established companies. However, Buffett flips this narrative on its head. The natural treasures he suggests are often hidden in the nooks and crannies of the market. Small, undervalued companies. These under-the-radar businesses present opportunities that many overlook. But why should you care about these small fries? Buffett explains that these companies can be gold mines for those starting with modest means. They're like undiscovered gems, poised for growth, waiting for a savvy investor like you to unearth them. However, you have to find the right time to buy. Imagine walking into a market where instead of groceries, you're shopping for pieces of business. That's the stock market for you, and Buffett is the master shopper. His strategy? Don't just buy any business, buy a good one at a price that makes sense. It's like finding an expensive designer dress on sale. The quality is top-notch, but the price is a steal. This principle might sound simple, but it's the cornerstone of Buffett's success. The trick lies in identifying these on-sale quality businesses. But how do you know a good company from a bad one, and a fair price from an inflated one? Buffett has some insights that might turn you into the savviest shopper on Wall Street. Next, Warren stresses learning the language of money. Learning the local language is vital to thrive in any country. The same goes for the world of business and investing. According to Buffett, the language you need to master is accounting. Why accounting, you wonder? Because it tells you the story of a business, where it's been, where it is, and where it might be going. It's like reading the vital signs of a company's health. But it's not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding what those numbers mean. Buffett encourages learning the basics of accounting and immersing oneself in the broader world of business through reading and experience. It's like learning Spanish by living in Spain. Diving in is the best way to learn. Next, Warren stresses the importance of taking action when the iron's hot. In a candid reflection, Buffett shares one of the most significant lessons from his investment journey: the haunting impact of missed opportunities. It's not just the investments that went south that sting, but also the ones that never happened. The stocks not bought, the deals not made. As he calls them, these omissions are often more painful in retrospect. Why do they matter? Because understanding this can fundamentally change your approach to investing. It's about recognizing when to act and when you're letting a golden opportunity slip through your fingers. You'll know when it's the right time if you follow his next advice. Buffett dares to question this norm in a world where a college degree is often seen as the ticket to success. He proposes that the actual value of education is not universal, but deeply personal. It's not about the diploma, it's about what you learn and how you apply it. And it's not just formal education that counts. Buffett stresses the importance of lifelong learning and personal development. This includes caring for your physical and mental health, which he sees as crucial to sustaining success. His question is, are you investing in yourself the way you should? But more importantly, who are you surrounding yourself with? Buffett highlights a critical factor in personal and professional success: The people you surround yourself with. It's like being in a boat. If you're with people who row in the same direction, you'll reach your destination faster. He emphasizes the importance of surrounding yourself with individuals who are intelligent and successful and possess strong character and values. This also extends to personal relationships, including the choice of a life partner. The message is clear. Your network's quality directly influences your life's quality. Buffett's next tip might surprise you. Buffett illuminates a simple yet often overlooked aspect of business success: customer delight. It's not just about selling a product or service. It's about creating an experience that leaves the customer thrilled. This customer-centric approach is a crucial driver of long-term success. Why? Because delighted customers are loyal customers, and they become your brand ambassadors. Buffett shares insights on how focusing on the customer experience can transform an average business into an extraordinary one. Buffett's last tip is his most important one to becoming successful. Buffett talks about the importance of learning from others, mentors, role models, even competitors. He advocates for the mastermind principle, associating with people who inspire and challenge you to improve. It's about being a sponge, absorbing wisdom, experience, and insights from those around you. This approach is akin to standing on the shoulders of giants, allowing you to see further and reach higher. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and comment your thoughts below.